Hi everybody, Cook Collections here, and we're about to do an unboxing of the Spin Master Star Wars BB-8. The box, it says on it actual size.
Can I tell them about this?
So we're gonna unbox it and check it out. It's got tape all around the sides. And this is the outside of the box. So it says that it's direct BB-8 with voice commands, 360 remote control movement, set BB-8 to follow you. And the remote control is right in there. Look at there's his butt. It looks like it's the bottom of him. Okay, and then it comes with a USB cord, babe. And then there's his little antenna.
For charging the internal batteries of the unit itself.
Voice command mode, so that's got all the pieces. Go ahead. Is it heavy or is it light, Em? What do you think?
It's light.
It's light?
Maybe, but I don't know. It's like hard to get out of the box. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, God. What's that?
He's round. He won't come out of the box. It's just his body. I think his head is in the top box with the remote control. So I'm wondering if it must be the magnet, right?
Some good weight in there.
It's heavy.
Don't drop it in the ball.
I won't.
See, if you drop it, does it sound like he does in the movies? Like a rubber ball. Boing.
Why don't you feel the weight on that and you'll get an idea.
Careful, honey.
Ow. It hurts.
So this was the top box. In the top box, it has BB-8's head, and it has the remote control.
And here is his whole body that is 100 pounds. I don't know.
100
but
pounds.
It's so heavy, you can't even pick it up.
It's heavy, huh?
It's like very heavy.
Wow, that's really cool. I mean, the detail, if you look, it
looks like he's
the detail is really awesome on it.
It looks like it's dirty inside, like in the movie where he gets all dirty and when
Fully charged before first use.
Oh
We have to
my-
play it. This must be the charging stuff.
well, if you like turn it, you can hear the sound in there.
Alright, well, just be careful. That's the power cord. That's a power cord.
So
what the heck is if there's a power cord, what's the computer? We'll have to look and see.
The instructions for that.
Here, roll it over. Let's see. Look at that. That's awesome. There's the remote control. Yeah, there's poor BB-8's head.
This requires batteries.
Do we know what kind of batteries it takes?
They did say it on there. I don't know.
AAA's? Might be AAA's.
So, when you turn it, you can hear it move.
The motor's in there.
The motor, right?
The motor is in there.
Be careful with him. We don't want him to go a
And the
little
batteries,
crazy.
where you put the batteries in here.
I think that's that part. This part here is where it
Charges.
it charges. Yeah, the on-off switch and the charging. Or is that just the on-off switch? I can't tell.
This looks like a real BB-8 from the first what was it called? The other movie. The
3 triple A's.
3
Force
triple A's.
Awakens.
Yep, Force Awakens, and then The Last Jedi, right?
Yeah. Well, if you've seen the part where BB-8 was in this little, I don't know what it was.
So when we
but
open up his head.
in I got it.
You have to see where the.
It's
Emily, did you take the one booklet on?
Yeah, it's right next to her. She took the booklet.
Oh, booklet.
That booklet right there.
Wait, can I take this off?
No, leave it.
Why?
For now, just leave it.
Princess, stop it!
There's the head.
The rollers. Oh, we have an important.
What's it say?
When placing the head into the body, rotate the head until it securely connects.
Oh, so you have to find. It must be. It's got to be magnet, like with magnets.
Has to be.
That's the only thing I can think of is probably magnets.
Whoa. Wait. Wait, it's right there. It's right there.
That's so cool.
Here's BB-8 right now. When we turn him on, he's gonna be like rolling around our house. But I don't know if we're gonna do it right now. But
We have to charge it first.
Yeah, we're gonna have to charge it, and then we'll do a video of it being charged. But there's the BB-8. He's a pretty good size too, I'd say.
It's not the actual size.
No, it's not the actual size, but in the box it says it's the actual size of what the box is. So, I mean, my daughter's gonna be 8 years old, and you can see like how big it is on her lap. So, all right. So again, this was the unboxing of the BB-8,
okay.
and we'll see you later. This is Cook Collections. Have a great day.